What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Motorhead YouTube channel. Today I am back at the shop, guys, and I need to finish this Lincoln. And all that's left to paint is this bumper and this side skirt, and then tomorrow I can completely put it together and get it finished. As you guys know, I did get the door painted, and I do need to put that door together. So today I'm going to sand down this bumper and get it painted and sand down the side skirt. It's actually over there by Yuri's M3. And once I get both of these sanded, we won't have to paint anything else, and we can just paint these parts. Tomorrow morning it should be dry enough to put together. And I specifically left the front bumper and the rear bumper completely assembled. That way when I get these parts painted, I have everything, know where everything goes and nothing's lost. So I know confidently we have everything to put that car back together. Minus 2 fender liners, which I have those ordered, and that'll come in later. And then also we do need to get the tire replaced on it and see if we can wipe off the scuffs on that. And probably take it to alignment. It did get hit in the wheel, so I want to make sure everything is good, because he is going to be driving it back from here to Ohio. So we're going to go over the whole car tomorrow once we get it all finished, and we're going to make sure everything is right. So I'm going to go ahead and start sanding this. I'm going to hit it with a 400, and we'll bulldog it, paint it, clear it, and it'll be good to go. All right, so I'm about to get some water. What's up, Yuri?
What's up, bro?
Dang, I ain't been hearing him. Well, I was here the other day, but like work-wise. What is this? There's all sorts of new stuff here.
Yeah, that's for the Bronco. Have you seen the Bronco yet?
Yeah. I mean, I didn't really check it out. I seen your video. It looked like a movie with that camera.
Yeah, that's Nate. Appreciate it. Here's
Oh, dang.
Yeah,
Ready to weld in?
Just about. I just have some pulling and straight and squaring up to do on those aprons. That way I can line everything up. I'm waiting on some dimensions too. So.
Oh, you got someone with the Bronco?
Yeah. And then I gotta weld all these frame pieces together on each side.
Oh, they go in pieces?
Yeah.
Where does this go?
Look at this.
Oh, so that way it all welds behind there and stuff.
This goes in there. It welds like that, and then this piece right here bolts the two together.
Oh, so that's the body mount.
Yeah, so basically what I want to do is I want to square everything up, straighten everything up, and put everything on, like bolt these in and everything, set it all up, and then tack it. And then once it's tacked up,
make sure everything fits.
Yeah, we'll make sure we'll put the bumper on it, put the whole front clip together, measure everything, make sure everything's square, and then take it all apart, weld everything up, weld the sides up.
Nice.
Paint it.
Dude, this thing looked destroyed in the video.
It was smacked pretty good. I mean, it was just a lot of plastic, you know?
Yeah, I can see that. I like how they did the frame on it and not a unibody, you know?
Yeah, that helped a lot, because it's a little bit easier to replace these rails, because you just cut the welds off and then you shove these into the frame.
Yeah.
You don't have to like measure stuff.
That's actually cool that they have the sectioning procedure, because, you know, most of them would just say replace the frame.
These frame horns are made to bend, you know? Like when you have an accident, so it saves
They did their job. They did their job really well.
Yeah. So, we'll get her done.
I'm gonna stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned. There's part 1, part 2.
Not V-Tune though. 23rd garage right here.
V-Tune,
no, we repping.
Checking it out.
Really?
Yeah, he liked
Didn't V-Tune want to do it?
He did, but he said that we didn't get enough likes on the video, so.
Oh yeah, 5,000 likes, or they don't want to see him. I guess they don't want to see him.
Yeah, he was mad. He was not happy about that.
Is this new?
Yeah, it's brand new.
Aluminum?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, dude, this thing's gonna be sick. What did y'all just painting the doors, blending it?
Yeah.
Can I open this?
The door has a little bit of chipping here.
Can I open this?
Look at that interior. Leather seats.
This is like the most fully loaded one you can get, isn't it?
Yeah, this is the top of the line. You can't get a better Bronco than this.
Dang, dude, this guy got a fat whip, and it's hard top. Yeah, if you guys want to check this out, make sure you check out 23rd Garage if you haven't already. This thing is sweet, and it's gonna look even better all done.
Yep.
But yeah, what else I got going on over here? What's Dad doing?
We painted that Mustang, and we got to paint this.
Oh, Andre's car?
Dad's car.
Yeah, I know. I seen Paul blessed him after that first paint job. Dang, Mustang looks good. Is it ready to go back to Mike?
Almost. We got to detail it, install the SRS module, and then detail the outside of it. And what, polish it, and then drive it. I'm going to actually drive it home today to test it out. We just got the alignment done, so
oh yeah,
hopefully everything goes good with it.
Does it drive straight?
Yeah.
Dude, honestly, this is a blessing in disguise for him. Remember how crappy the first shop fixed it?
Yeah.
It literally looks like new now. I mean, you can't really see that it was repaired. Like last time you could tell just the way they did it. Oh, he's gonna be ecstatic when he sees this thing.
Yeah, we just gotta clean it all up, button up the trunk a little bit.
Yes, sir. No, I'm recording this tread, Yuri. That way, when it comes back from the house,
hey,
we're gonna compare the tread videos.
I haven't even done a burnout in my E92.
Oh yeah, them Continentals are expensive.
I've had it for a whole month. Haven't done that. Hey, I haven't even.
Да. Я все закрию. Мені треба завтра скласти. У мене все є. You hear that, guys? Pop says I need to go paint that bumper, so I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding it. Okay guys, so I got the bumper in here prepped and the side skirts in here prepped, ready to go. We're ready to start painting. And we're gonna start with some Bulldog. It's an adhesion promoter and you have to throw it on bumpers because the bumpers do need to flex. And when they flex, if you don't have adhesion promoter or sealer, it will crack and chip eventually. I don't wanna do sealer. Sealer's sometimes dirty and you have issues with it. So we're just gonna Bulldog this. And once that's Bulldogged, we'll throw some paint on both of these and get it clear coated. And also guys, if you paint, I really recommend this stand if you don't already have it. I mean, it just makes painting so much easier. You can paint all up through here and you don't have no issues ever. Really recommend this stand. Once we got it, I mean, it just made it so much easier versus bumpers on the floor, or I mean on the stands, and the bottoms over there right by the floor. So let's go ahead and get started. In the right place for you. Okay guys, so it is the next day here. I got the bumper painted. I did sign it in a couple of spots, unfortunately, with a couple of runs, but it's no big deal. I'll buff it out when it's on the car. I'm gonna give this some time to cure. But as you guys know, I have the bumper right there, and I'm just gonna swap everything over here, and then we can button up that front end, and then I'll move on to the rear end and then the door. But I'm gonna go to the tire shop right now because I did have a little late start this morning, and I wanna go get it done before they close. And Yuri's trying to close the hood on me.
Hey, why don't you tell him why you got a hickey on your neck? Hey, look at, hey.
Nah, what you talking about? What you talking about, Willis?
Hey,
all right, I'm gonna head to the tire shop and I'm gonna get the tire mounted for it. That way everything else I can just do here and put it back together.
It's looking good, man. It's looking really good. Yeah.
This setup's looking good, dude. What is this?
It's GH5 Sigma 1830.
Yo, I just told Nate if he helps me record this video and edit it with this sick camera, I'd give him my bucket seats, and he declined.
He declined?
He declined.
You are not
top G.
You're not.
Hey, you're Luminix G, but you're not top G.
Wait, you declined? You declined?
He said, hey, he said, quote unquote, he said, it's Saturday, bro.
Hold on. Do you know what's funny? You know what's funny? The way he justified the purchase of this camera
was making,
I'm gonna be doing stuff for other people and I'm gonna make my money back, blah 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 blah. And then the first
customer, some nice bucket seats.
I think, you know what I think? I think he's scared. I think he's scared he's not gonna be able to live up to the expectations
of the camera.
Facts. Well, nah, I don't know. It's kind of
I got my GoPro, dude. I'm gonna go put this tire on.
It's kind of a lot of pressure.
Oh man.
Okay guys, so I got this bumper together and just perfect timing. As soon as I put the last part on, the tire's ready. I'm gonna go pick that up real quick and we'll get right back to installing this bumper. Boys are gonna help me put it on. I don't wanna scratch anything. And we're gonna slap it on. So let's go get that tire and then we'll get it back to this. Yeah, right. We ain't taking this. There's a crowd at the tire shop. We gotta take the S2K. Hopefully it'll fit in the trunk. Oh yeah, also guys, I went against everyone's comments and I put red interior. It is dirty, but check that out. Red steering wheel, Aza auto wheel. I'll link it down below. And man, I love the red. You know, I didn't do too much red, just subtle. Go with the tail lights and whatnot. And I mean, this push the button to start is red, so I figured, you know what, I'll just throw red everywhere. I put red here. That, carpets, everything. Let me know what you guys think of it. I'm gonna go get this tire real quick and we're gonna slap it on that car. So we got a little bit of issue. I probably shouldn't have took this thing, but what I think I'll do is just drive real carefully. I ain't gonna hit no bumps. The shop's right down the street, so hopefully we'll make it. Alright, so I decided I'm gonna have a passenger fit in there perfectly, dude. I didn't have no issues. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my seat. I see it's leaning against my door panel, but I think we'll make it. I think she'll be alright. Alright, so we made it safely. Hey, nah, back up.
I'm not doing anything.
I thought you were getting Nate. That's why I started recording. Nah.
Nate doesn't have enough wide angle. That's why, like, even if I did get him,
Hey, I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll send you the clip.
Hey, it wouldn't be funny if I got him because you wouldn't see what happened. But I mean, it probably dropped the camera, so it probably shouldn't do it.
Hey, you look good in that thing.
Hey, I like this thing, man. I'm not gonna lie.
It's a whipper for sure.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we pulled the Lincoln up, and as you can see from the time lapses, it's very filthy and it's got a lot of stuff on it. So we're gonna clean it up real nice. Me and Yuri, we're gonna get the window up first because the battery died.
Is he gonna get a new battery or what?
Yeah, I'll probably go get it for him tomorrow. But tomorrow I'll pretty much just have to polish this thing. I am still waiting on the fender liners. They should be here by the end of the week. Or Monday, yeah.
What goes here?
I have all the clips. I went and bought new ones from the dealer. Clips into there, and then there's a bunch of clips there.
Gotcha.
But yeah, I mean, all this I'll do off camera. Oh, I need to plug up that tail light. You see it don't work?
Dang, why is that even on?
And then look at this plasti dip. Max did this, I think. Pretty sure he did.
Dang,
I gotta
that's gonna be
peel all
hard
this
to get
off.
You have to take that off?
I want to, just so when he gets it, it's all chrome, you know? I think with some
Who
WD-40.
did that? Like, if you did that, you had to do the handles too.
Yeah. Okay guys, so just like that, we're done with the Lincoln as far as content goes. Like I said, there are a couple little things I need to button up, which I'll do off camera. And this thing is pretty much done. He's gonna come get it Saturday. So Monday I'm gonna just go over the car, make sure everything is good. And I'm really excited and really happy with how it turned out. It has been a long time since this car's been here, and I've been pretty much doing everything by myself. You know, I got help with the framework and the buffing, but everything else I have to do myself. So I'm really glad that it's done. This was a lot of stress on my plate, and so was the AMG. And the AMG left the other day, and this car's about to leave. And that's gonna be it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoy the content. Be sure to check out this Mustang build by 23rd Garage. That thing is just absolutely awesome, and I love how it turned out. I know Mike's gonna be super happy with that thing. But if you guys want to stick around, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. Oh yeah, and the Bronco. Check out the Bronco. That's also a sick build. And also you can follow us on Instagram at motorhead.co if you want inside scoops. You know, we're always posting stuff before the video drops. So if you want, you can give us a follow over there. I'll link it down below. We appreciate all the love and support, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.